Here's another specialty Mustang in, a unique specialty in classics. This particular one is a 2012 Roush Stage 3 coupe, as you can see. The cool part about this car is it's part of the Hyper Series. There was 4 different Hyper Series made. Should say 4 different colors in the Hyper Series. This particular one is called Gasset Green, as you can see by the highlighted green on the Roush badging. This car has over 540 horse, running the 5.0 Roush charged V8 underneath the hood. Very, very nice looking car. This is number 10 of 25. They made 25 in each color of the Hyper Series. Come down on this, this one's got kind of that lime green, kind of changes a little bit darker to lighter. You can see the Roush badging there, 540 horse. These were built on Stage 3 cars, so it's a Hyper Series built on the Stage 3 platform. So you're getting all the Stage 3 equipment that you get in a Roush, with a little bit of pizzazz, you might say, with that Gasset Green Hyper Series badging. If you'd like to check out the underside pics, interior pics, underneath the hood, see how clean this car is, you can check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you follow our website, you know we sell a lot of the specialty Mustangs, from Shelby's to Celine's to Roush's. So give us a call if you'd like to inquire about this one. Our number is 507-386-1726. I want to get all this out there before I start it up, because this thing sounds awesome and has an incredible rumble to it. Interior also has some of that Gasset Green highlight to it, as you can see in the threading. Let's see if I can get it out of the sun so it shows up, so you can see it in the door cards. And that matches the seats, the suede inlays with the Gasset Green stitching. And then if I can get it to show up too, there you can see it somewhat. It's a little bit brighter in person than it is in the video there. There's your Stage 3 Hyper Series badging. Also carried it over to the shifter. This car is a little over 50,000 miles on it. It's just, for the miles, it is in incredibly nice shape. Go ahead and start it up so you can hear it. It has a Roush exhaust on it. I suppose it would have helped if I had the keys in the ignition. There's the miles on it, so 52,601. As you can see, just the parking brake on. I don't have my seatbelt on, so there's no warning lights, anything like that on there. Here's your boost gauge. Roush puts in one of the vents. Come down here, you can check out the badging. The Hyper Series, number 10 of 25. Gasset Green. When I get out so you can hear the rumble of this, give you a little rev too. Back, you can hear that rumble. A very nice sounding car, and with 540 horse plus, this thing gets up and moves. So like I said, check out the still pictures, engine bay, interior, undersides. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, and or give us a call, 507-386-1726. 2012 Roush Stage 3 Hyper Series Mustang.